What's up everyone and welcome to the club. It's World Gratitude Day today. I for one have many things to be grateful for. My family, friends, my health, and of course all of you who have helped support this channel over the years. If there's something you're especially grateful for, just drop it down in the comments below. Let's kick off this week and draw Willow Wolf from Roblox Piggy. Now the first thing we want to do is start at the very top center of our page and draw a large circle for the head. So let's start at the very top, right in the middle. I'm going to work our way out towards the left. Come down. And then in towards the middle, and then we'll work our way up along the right side. Going out, up, and then in. Now I'm going to draw a smaller circle along the bottom half of the head for the muzzle. So start in the center of the head, drawing that circle. Going out, down towards the bottom. Now I just want to leave a little gap along the bottom of the chin. And go back up and in towards the middle. Let's add the nose along the top. I'm going to step down in the middle and draw an oval. Going out, and then down, and round out the nose, and go back up, and then in, and then we'll fill the nose in black. And then from the top of the muzzle, we're going to step out to the side and draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start over on the left side at the very top. Come down towards the bottom of the circle, round this out, and then go back up. Let's line this up on the right side and do the same thing. Coming in, and then down towards the same height, and then back up towards the top. And now we're going to draw two smaller circles in the center of each eye for the pupils. I'm going to start on the left. Just going to trace the eye along the inside and go back up. Do the same thing on the right. And then we'll fill the pupils in black. Now we're going to draw the eyebrows coming down in an angle. Let's start up on the left side. Just going to angle down above the eye and then in. Let's line this up on the right side, going up and then out. Let's go back to the inside and just flatten this off with a short line going up and in. And we'll draw that same length line on the outside of the eyebrow. And then we'll close off the top. Let's fill the eyebrows in black. Now I'm going to go back to the inside bottom corner of the eyebrow. We're just going to curve in and then down on top of the muzzle. Go to the right and do the same thing. Now going to the outside of the eyebrow, we're just going to curve this out and then down towards the side of the head. And then we're going to add two square eyelashes on either side. Let's start on the top left, angle up and out with a short line, come down, and we'll just pull that back in towards the eye. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing. Let's add one more along the bottom. We're going to step down, go straight out, come down the side, and then back in, line this up on the right, and then we'll fill the eyelashes in black. Let's add two small ovals on either side of the head for the cheeks. We're going to start on the left side, just underneath the eye, drawing that oval, coming down, and we'll pull that back up towards the top. Let's line this up on the right side. Just going to bring this down towards the same height, and then back up. Now that we've drawn in the face, let's move up and draw in the ears. We're going to start directly above the left pupil, step up, draw an angled line going up and out, go over towards the right side, draw that same length line. Now let's flatten off the top. From the left, angle up and out toward the tip of the ears. Let's close off the outside of the ear. Starting back on the left, start with a straight line coming down. And we'll follow that same angled line coming back in towards the side of the head. Now we're going to trace the ears along the inside, stepping up, just leave an even spaced gap all the way around. Let's move out and draw 3 points on either side of the head. We start on the left side, angle down and out. Do the same thing on the right. I'm just going to pull this down and in towards the side of the head. And then we'll do that again, starting from the bottom, angle down and out. And we'll pull that down and in towards the side of the head. And we'll add one more. Coming down. And we'll pull that back in. So now that we got the head, let's move down and draw the edge of the hood. We start over on the left side, just underneath the head, curve down, just pull that into it about there. We're going to line this up on the right, come down, and then in. And we'll add 2 thick drawstrings on either side. From the left, we're going to step up, draw a straight line coming down. Do the same thing on the right. Now we'll draw one more line on the inside. And we'll connect the top of the lines with a curve, going up and then down. And then on the bottom, we're going to go in the opposite direction, coming down and then up. And now we're going to move out and draw on the side of the body. Let's line up with the inside of the hood, step out towards the left, curve the body, going out and then down towards the hip. Line this up on the right, and do the same thing. And then we'll close off the bottom, starting back on the left, come down in the middle, and then bend that back up towards the right. Let's continue working down with the legs. In the center, we're going to step down, draw a curve from left to right, going up and then down. Now leaving a small gap in the center, we're going to go over towards the left, curve the leg going out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. We're going to start from the heel and curve the foot, coming down and then back up towards the toe. And we'll go back to the side and draw on the top of the foot. From the toe, we're going to draw almost like a half circle going up. I'm just going to aim towards the heel. I want to leave a small gap along the inside. And now we're going to move back up to the hips and draw on the outside of the leg. Let's start from the left hip, curve the leg going out, and then straight down on top of the foot. And now we're going to move back up and draw on the arms. We're going to start halfway between the hood and the hip. So right here, we curve the arm going out and down towards the wrist. Line this up on the right, and do the same thing. And then from the wrist, we're going to draw a small half circle for the thumb, coming in and back out. At the end of the thumb, we'll add a small bracket. And then we're going to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the bottom of the thumb, curve the finger coming down and then up around the bracket, step down, curve down and up the second finger, and then the third finger, we're going to start out here, curve out, and bend the arm coming up and in towards the side of the hood. Let's do the same thing on the right. And now we're going to draw the cuff of the sleeve. Start from the top of the thumb, we go straight across, and then just bend that up towards the outside. And do the same thing on the right. And that's pretty much it. There's Willow Wolf from Roblox Piggy Book 2. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.